Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are stepping things up and making our app dynamic. That means working with real data, real content, the kind you would expect in a full stack app. And the best part, Redwood make this super simple with tools like Prisma and its built-in database support. Let's get into it. Redwood uses something called Prisma to manage the database. Prisma is basically a bridge between your code and the database. And the most important part is the schema file. You will find this file under API DB schema Prisma. This is where we define what kind of data our app should store, like blog posts, users, or comments. Here you can see the example model, user example. So let's create our own Prisma model. So for that, we can do some changes in this user example. First clear this part, and we want to change this to our new model, post. Inside post, we have ID, and then we have our title, and after body. So let's go through what we did. We have started by defining an ID. This is just a unique number for every post, like a label. Prisma handles the auto increment for us, which means it will generate new IDs automatically as we add posts. Then we added a title. This will be a short heading or topic of the post, kind of like a blog headline. And finally, we defined the body, which will be the main content or text of the post. You can imagine this as the paragraph or article content someone would read. That's it. A simple post model with just 3 fields: ID, title, and body. So, okay, now that our post model is ready, we need to apply these changes to actual database. And for that, first we have to save our file and then go to the terminal and write. So we have run the migration. Think of migration like syncing your blueprint with the construction team. We are telling the database, hey, go ahead and build this new post table. Redwood will ask us to name this migration. You can call it something like create post. So it's clear what change you made. That our database is updated, you will probably be wondering, where is the table? What does it look like? That's where Prisma Studio comes in. Prisma Studio is a super helpful visual tool that opens right in your browser. It gives you a nice clean interface to view and manage your data. No need to build a UI just yet. To open it, you can simply run rw Prisma Studio. This will launch a browser window at localhost 5555, and from there you will see all your database table. Click on post and you will see the table is currently empty, which makes sense since we haven't added any post yet. But the structure is ready and now your app can store real content. So there you go. In just a few steps we have defined a data model, synced it with our database using Prisma, and confirmed it all works using Prisma Studio. If you are enjoying the series so far, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Let's keep building. See you in the next one.